Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living, one step at a time.
Okay, so I moved everything away. It's going up here. So I moved the table, so he'll put the ladder there, and then I laid everything out. Hopefully it makes sense, or he'll come and say this doesn't make sense. We'll see. But I just tried to lay it out, you know, to make it easy, make everything easy, hopefully. So, all right, we'll be back. All right, so Mike is here. He got his ladder. He's going to get his tools, and we'll start. Okay, so we're taking the light off.
This would be, I would have felt that.
So we're disconnecting the wires. That's what it looks like up close.
Ceiling fan mount bracket. So it goes on the stud, on the joist going that way to, so it's secured to that stud. So it can handle the weight of a ceiling fan.
All right, so next install the fan mount.
And then there's little arrows that tell you where it needs to go in.
And while we wait, this is what came down. This is the light fixture that was on there, along with this piece right here. Why they used two different size screws to have that in there, it's like Tootsie Roll, the world may never know. Next is the canopy.
Hey. I don't know why they should be able to make those things smaller these days. It is 25, right?
Yeah. All right, so the remote receiver and the canopy. Now to hook the wires. Now line to line, neutral to neutral. All right, securing all the wires.
Yeah, try and get as much as you can back into the junction box. Ah, there we go. This is shoving. One of those plastic in me.
That's an antenna?
Yeah.
Okay. So install your fan, what do you call those fan wings?
Blades.
Blades with a manual screwdriver versus a drill, because if you strip it, That's it.
Strip it, that's it. You got your batteries in them.
And you want to download the app, install it so you can work your fan from your phone. And here is what it looks like. So we're checking the circuit breaker now, and then checking the remote to see if the remote works, and then we'll check the app.